Just wanted to show you a quick look inside the Practical Printables vault. So here you can see how it's organized. Start here, planning tools, homeschool helpers, home management, mindset and self-care, and hidden gems. So there will be more lessons added. Each lesson is a printable. So here in the start here, we have welcome to the vault, how to use it, downloading the vault tracker. So you can see here, it's a good example of what it looks like. And then when you click download, it takes you directly to the planner or printable. And then you can either choose download and then print. I would always do download, save it, and then print. Here you have recommended printing supplies. So it takes you through. Other categories, planning tools. So here are some of the planners included. Sorry, printables included, summer planners. I cannot show you some of the printables because when you join the membership, you get a custom discount code on related printables, things in the shop, and I don't want you to see it. But this gives you kind of an idea. I am so excited about this. I'm just having so much fun. And one of the things that I love is that you can suggest a printable, and I can't wait to see what people ask for. So hope you enjoyed the tour. Let me know if you have any questions.